What if I told you that we had an athlete who had a total hip replacement, and after that hip replacement, she eventually got to the point of doing box jumps? Would you believe me? Would you think that's a wise thing to do? Well, I'll say yes to both, and here's why. We can certainly prepare ourselves for a surgery that's about to happen, to make sure that the dysfunction that got us to the need that surgery is starting to get fixed before the surgery is even done. Remember, when a joint goes bad, it's not necessarily the joint's fault. It's the mechanics of the entire body feeding into that joint and picking on it. Then post-surgery, yeah, there's a lot of healing that needs to be done, but again, the story is the same. How do we feed the body so the body takes care of the healing process faster? Now, once we've actually gone through the healing process of the surgery itself and the biomechanical reasoning of why that surgery was needed, the body's actually in the perfect position to grow and expand beyond where it was even years prior. That's why this client was able to do box jumps. Now, is it the box jump that's most important? No, it's the explosive power that can go through her hip so she can feel as youthful as she was even later on into her life. It's a perfect story, one that happens all the time here at Gemalto.